PowerShell is powerful. But where do you start? In this video, you'll learn the essential commands every beginner should know. Start with the best command in PowerShell, get help. It shows you exactly how a command works. Add detail to get a full explanation with examples. My personal favorite is Show Window. It opens help in a separate window so you can keep it open while you work. Get Process shows all running processes on your system. You can also filter processes using wildcards. Here's an example with all processes starting with Windows. Get Service lists all services on your system. You can filter services too. Use display name for readable names or name for internal ones. Set location changes the current folder. It's the same as using CD. Let's confirm that CD is just an alias for set location. So you can also type CD folder name. Get Child item lists the files and folders in your current directory. Want to type less? Use the aliases ls or dir, they all point to the same command. Clear host clears your terminal window so you can start fresh. And just like before, you can use aliases like CLS or clear. These are the PowerShell basics every beginner should know. Try them out, explore your system, and build confidence step by step. Subscribe for more Windows scripting tips, sysadmin tricks, bug bounty, and hands-on tutorials. See you in the next one.